Alright, this next tutorial was a request by my good friend Raiku. It is a loop that's a little more advanced and shows you some lesser used techniques that I incorporate all the time. So, how you're gonna start it? Well, actually, first of all, here's what the loop looks like. Alright, so how this loop is done, you're going to start by doing some index chaplains. You're then going to stop as if you're going to do a full twirl, but instead you're going to go to zero gravity. So palm down, and you are then going to twirl out. When you're doing this, what you're gonna do is twirl the full twirl down to the middle finger, but then you're gonna let it roll over the middle finger and catch it with your index finger and middle finger. So and what you're going to do is kind of catch it on top and bottom of the scale. Don't catch it like this. Catch it kind of like this, because what you're going to do is catch it, roll your fingers around it, continue that momentum, and let it drop like this. Like that. Once you're here, you're going to twirl to the ring finger and middle finger. Put your palm up. Use your middle, ring, and pinky to twirl down. Go zero gravity. Again, twirl to your middle finger and do a middle finger chaplain. Okay? And then what you're going to do is stick your index in there as if you're doing a behind the eight ball and do a regular chaplain. And repeat. You can do more zero gravity middle chaplains if you want to. But you don't have to. You can just do the one as if you're doing behind the eight ball. So, I hope this helps give you something to work on. To reiterate it, you're going to do a chaplain, zero gravity twirl, middle roll, catch between the two fingers, and do a fakie. That's what I call that, a fakie. a fakie index roll. You're then going to twirl to the, do a full twirl, zero gravity, palm up, full twirl to the pinky, palm down, twirl to the middle finger where you can either do one or several chaplains. Put your pointer finger in there the same way you would do behind the 8-ball, index to thumb. You're going to do middle to index. And then you stop it when you want to continue the loop. All right. Peace.